What's up, everyone? We are the Group 3. For our beta for today, we are gonna present to you our game, Big Big Bomb. This challenge.
In this challenge,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
this challenge, we have a total of 9 chips. Out of these 9 chips, there are 3 chips that are spicy, while the remaining 6 chips are regular and spicy. All the chips looks the same, so we won't know which one is spicy at each chip. In this video, our main goal is to find and explain the probability of choosing the spicy chips.
Using the concept we learned in statistics and probability, we will identify the total number of possible outcomes and the number of favorable outcomes. So we randomly pick the chips. We will apply probability to predict the chance of getting spicy one, and of course,
We will also see if our prediction match the actual results.
make sure to watch until the end of the video to learn some probability, and let's see who gets the big bomb. Oh, eh.
Go!
So much.
Okay na.
Ano mo dyan, ah?
So,
Sabihin natin kung sino ba yun.
go. My God. Nakapili na kayo?
Oo nga, ne. Safe. Safe sa'yo. Hindi niyo
Safe.
pili ba?
Safe.
Ako na.
Ano? Safe. It's still the very fresh.
Pinamana ka. Wala ka
Magkakandyan! Ano?
Sabi mo muna.
Parang hindi safe. Nakita.
Safe.
Safe.
Ikaw na.
Oh, yummy good.
Safe.
Parang pala natin napili niya. One day ah. Safe.
Ikaw na.
Tatlo na lang. Apat na lang kasi.
I'll go.
Oh! Ano?
Safe.
Here, we can see the probability lesson that we have learned. The probability of them getting the bomb chip is 3:9, where we can see a lot of combos in there. There is 84 outcome that the player will choose these chips, and that chips. Here are some of the outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, and 1, 2, 9. We can conclude that learning probability is fun, and we can definitely use it in our daily lives.
Tapos naman na eh.
Bye guys!
Bye,
Thanks for
guys.
watching!
See you again next time.